Here is my grandfather's Ruud Achiever condensing unit. As you can see, it's a stamped opticon, model UAMB-042JAZ, serial 6265 F4603046667, manufactured November 2003. The weather is way too nice out today to turn this unit on, but yeah, I have some videos of this unit running from a real long time ago, but yeah, I thought I'd get a new video of it.
Running. My grandparents Ruud running. Very very hard to get under here and move around.